The importance of being confident. Hi, my name is Michael. I'm a filmmaker and video coach, and today we are talking about why it's so important to be confident in front of camera. So today we are talking about confidence and why it is so important to be confident in front of camera. Now, I've had my business for 9 years and I have always been that type of person that what you see is what you get. And the internet is a place where we can kind of see who's genuine and who's not. It's a place where we can actually read people a lot better. We can tell when someone is being natural and when someone is forcing something. So it's really important to be confident on camera because you've got a higher chance that somebody is going to engage with you if you are somebody who is relaxed and is just fluently talking. So it doesn't happen overnight. It isn't something that's just going to just happen the next time you press record on the camera. You have to actually get used to being in front of camera. You have to actually get used to talking to a camera lens. Now, a lot of people say that it's a very hard thing to do. It's a very alien thing to talk to a camera lens. But with a bit of practice, it actually just becomes like second nature. So what I would always say to people is, get your camera phone out and literally just start looking at the camera, start talking to the camera lens and actually just get used to it. That's a great way that you're gonna be able to grow your confidence. People invest in me because they like me, okay? There are better filmmakers out there. There are worse filmmakers out there. People buy from me because they know that I will do a job to the highest standard that I can possibly do and will have a good time doing it. Another thing about confidence is that when we are relaxed in front of camera, we tend to talk a lot more. We tend to talk more in a fluent way. So we maybe open up and talk about things that we probably never talk about if we were just focusing on being confident and actually delivering content we wanted to talk about on that day. When you are confident, when you are relaxed and you're in an environment that you can control, you will find that you will talk with a lot more ease. You will talk about things that might just pop into your head. You haven't got the pressure of just going, right, I need to say this today on the camera. It's all about getting used to the environment so that you can talk fluently. I talk about my camper van. I talk about, how I spend a lot of hours learning new skills and growing as a filmmaker. All of these things do pop into my head when I am talking to the camera, and that's because I am confident. That's because I understand the environment. That's because I'm relaxed in the environment that I have created. So when you have all those things right, you'll find that your brain can think a heck of a lot better than if it was under pressure. So being confident, understanding your environment is a key thing when you are growing your video journey. So I always kind of go on video with a few ideas of what I want to talk about. I don't normally script things. I have sometimes a couple of bullet points if it's something that is quite meaty and needs a bit more explanation. But in today's video, I had 3 things in my mind I wanted to talk about. And so I'm just fluently talking on the camera to you in a nice, controlled, confident and relaxed way because I understand the environment in which I have created. So when we are confident in front of camera, we get to be more fluent, we get to talk more, things come to our mind a lot more. And when we work in a creative environment anyway, we have to have clarity. We have to have that space in our minds to think. And when we have that space in our minds to think, great things can happen. So I hope that this information has helped you. If there's anything you think that I have missed in this video, then don't forget to drop it in the comments below. If you would like to see my next videos, then don't forget to hit subscribe. If you would like to see when I post all the latest videos, don't forget to click the bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next week.